Hey, Math 8, this is your Quarter 4, Unit 9, Transformations, and these are your reflection notes. So a reflection is a flip across a line of reflection, and the axis of symmetry is a line of reflection that a figure is mirrored across. So we look here at our line K, and we see that it is a line of reflection because our ABC triangle, our pre-image, is reflected across the line onto our ABC image. And as you can see, the distance from A to our line is equal to the distance of the line to our new A. And as we discussed last time, the reflected figure is called the image. Reflect triangle ABC over the y-axis. So we see our triangle here, ABC, and we're going to reflect it across our y-axis. So we'll go from quadrant 1 to quadrant 2. So let's look at our point A. And it's asking us how many units right it is of the, well, we already know we're going across the y-axis, so we'll know to be right of the y-axis. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or we can just look down and see what our value is for our x. And we see that the point is going to be 7, comma 8, so we can just take our 7, because we know it's 7 units right of our y-axis, and we'll put that in there. And let's look at plot point A dash, or A, with the same y coordinate. So we already know it's going to be 7 units, but now we're going to be left of the y-axis. So let's go ahead and we'll go over 7, up 8, and we plot our point. Point B is, let's see, it's 4 units right of the y-axis. So point B, our new B, would be with the same y coordinate, which is 4 units, now left of the y-axis. We'll plot our point. And point C is 7 units right of the y-axis. We know that because we looked down at what our x value is, or we counted. And now we'll go across, we'll go left of our y-axis, and that's going to be 7 units left of our y-axis. Plot our point, draw our triangle, and now we see it says, what do you notice about the points on the graph? Well, we notice, let's see, that it looks like our y values are still all going to be the same, right? But our x's changed. So now the x coordinate is opposite of the original, because you had, for B, it was 4, comma 5. We look over at our new image, it's going to be negative 4, comma 5. Oh, 3, sorry. Those are at y equals 3. So it'll be negative 4, comma 3, and this, our pre-image was 4, comma 3. All right, so now it says graph the image of the rectangle math after reflection over the x-axis. So now we're going from quadrant 2 to quadrant 3. So let's look at let's find the points of our pre-image. So M is at negative 7, up 5, and then A is negative 2, up 5, 4 is negative 2, 3, and H is negative 7, 3. So we write all of our points down. And now let's look. We're reflecting across our x-axis. So we know we're going from up here down here. So for M, we can look at what our y value was, because we know that that's how far we are from our x-axis. That's how far we went up to get away from our x-axis. So now we're going to have to go down 5 to find our new point. So it's going to be, let's see, our x is still negative 7, but now we're going to be down negative 5. So negative 7, negative 5, we plot our point. Let's do the same for A. We see that it's also negative 5, so it'll be negative 2 down 5. Look at our T. And our T is 3 from it, so we'll go down 3, so that'll be negative 2, negative 3. Plot our point. Same for H, it's negative 7 -3 will be our new point. Draw our rectangle, sorry. Rectangles have 4 sides, triangles have 3. So this is a rectangle. And what do you notice about the points on the graph? Well, let's look. Our m was -7, 5, and our new m is -7, -5. So, our x points are still the same, but our y's are opposite. So the y coordinate is opposite of the original. All right, well, this is the end of this video.